One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. Our first topic that we're going to be talking about is Uber changing the heat maps. I already saw somebody about the surge heat map. The reason why you probably aren't seeing surge, one, is there's probably too many drivers in your area, or you're going in the wrong, going out at the wrong times. So I don't know your specific market or anything like that, but one of the things you need to know is the 3 Ps: planning, positioning, and patience. That's really about it.
This is
Schools
from
are now
my
back
app.
to session. What's up?
Yeah, this is from my app, buddy. I got and it's live on my app. You know the monkeypox that's going around.
Yeah.
Doesn't that look like the monkeypox now? They got
A
rid
little
of they got rid of the dollar signs. Now they got the arrows. It looks like in the military, you have the three lines, the 2 lines, and
Yeah,
the sergeant,
like
and
difference. Yep.
Let me tell you something.
Yes.
Okay. I mean, this is not a huge change as far as I'm concerned. Okay.
This is a stupid change.
It's a stupid change, yeah. First of all, the stupid part of it is that this has been gray for the last, what now? 2 years? Uber. Gray. As much as you pay millions to your behavioral scientists, social scientists, psychiatrists that work at Uber to gamify and gamblify the system, gray is not an enticing color for me to look at 24 hours a day, because that red thing that in the middle is called surge. I have not seen it for a long time. So gray is not a good color. Yeah, it's not incentivizing me to get out there and drive in a gray
It makes
cloud.
me sad and depressed. Like in February when there's no sun, I don't know how it is in LA. LA is probably always sunny.
It's always sunny in LA, but this is like Seattle.
Here in Buffalo, like February and January and March is just a stretch of gray hell. So every time I see these gray clouds, it's just depressing. And it's like, I'll just turn on Lyft. So
no, I honestly, I mean, and then the getting rid of the dollar signs, I am sure they spent a whole bunch of hours, discussing amongst themselves, well, the dollar signs are not doing it. Well, I don't think if the dollar signs did not entice me to get on and drive with gray clouds, I don't think these little, monkeypox or whatever they are is going to entice me either. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, it's live on my app too.
Yeah.
So, I'm looking at it right now. I got a little couple arrows.
You got the arrows too? I guess they did this nationwide. Yeah, they did it nationwide. And so don't worry about in my city anyway. So immediately I saw the screenshot in the middle, right? It says what does not change. Surge. There are no changes to how surge pricing is displayed. Well, so how Uber is, right? They just right side of their mouth is not talking to the left side of their mouth, or right side of the brain or the left side of the brain.
They're crossing their fingers when they're talking.
Yeah, they're going like, we're going to put this out. I hope this is right. 33,000 donkeys over there. And this is what they come up with, but that's okay. So I hope people, okay, they did this in like a few states, and they went back to the dollars, the sticky surge, right? The dollar surge, penny surge, whatever you guys call it. So the screenshot they sent me in the middle in my app does not, do you see? It just shows the surge flash sign, right? It doesn't show dollars. I was like, holy shit, they're getting rid of that too. But then so far, so good. So the only thing that has changed, people, which I don't know again why, I'm sure they have their reasons, and they spend hundreds of hours figuring this out. The dollar signs are gone. Is with the up arrows, 3 arrows, 4 arrows, whatever it is, as if I'm going to look at those arrows, up arrows, count those arrows, and see that, oh, it's 4 arrows. It must be busy. Let me go there. Who the hell is going to do that? But at least they did not change the sticky surge yet. But that's what they sent me in the app. So surge is still with the dollar amount. The colors are the same. The only thing that changes in this is the dots. And I also see, I just saw something. Okay, I guess the dots with the 4 up arrows are darker. I just saw that. A darker gray on a bottom of gray, and the ones with 3 arrows is lighter gray. Wow, Uber. Seriously. Somebody deserved their money for this.
I don't know about that, but I'm going through, I'm looking at the 2 arrows and trying to see the heat map. But yeah, the heat map has changed to those arrows. And I'm still seeing the surge price on there. So there's surge right now, 350 in Niagara Falls Airport. Nobody wants to drive up there. So makes sense for the 2 flights that come in every like 3rd day. So yeah, good luck. You know, honestly, to me, that's more distracting. Because when I'm looking at the map, I just want to see like not that much stuff. It's just a lot. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I was used to white maps, like no surge anyway, because surge disappeared for years now in California, especially after the pandemic. And then one morning, gray clouds showed up. You know how many times I have asked this to Uber? Seriously, in my many conversations, I said, "Why gray?" They go like, "We don't know." So, Uber,
Change the color.
take a screenshot of that, Uber. Why gray?
Actually, you know what?
Seriously, like look at my background, beautiful blue. Why Seattle? Seattle is like that for like 300 days a year. Why gray?
How about this?
You guys couldn't come up with a better color? We're depressed already, not making any money. I mean, why put gray? I don't know.
Gray clouds of death. That's all I call them.
Yeah, whatever. So anyway, so that's that. So,
So do you see that in your maps? Do you not see that in your maps? So let us know. We'd be interested to see where this is going.
I'm West Coast. Or not. I'm West Coast. You're East Coast. Obviously, we both got it. So I'm assuming that it's nationwide now. The arrows.
Yeah. And you have Android. I have iPhone.
Yeah.
And,
so they have it covered. Yeah, there you go.
It seems like the majority of people do have it. I'm wondering though, like I say, because sometimes they roll things out differently. So I was just curious if there were certain areas that may not have it. But yeah, look forward to more busy maps on that front. So with that being said, what's up?
Don't pay any attention to any arrows or anything. Just do what you do. So.
Yep. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.